Hey YouTube, it's Sorry Siri. Oh, hold on. Excuse me. What a nice time to have to sneeze.
Oh, I have to sneeze. Wow.
Actually, when I was little, hold on, I sneeze.
No, we want to say you miss you.
It's not different, but if you're nervous because it's so big, you know, definitely you need to go to your orientation. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, I have allergies.
Thursday, black soundless watermelons. Friday.
Did my own experiments with it, but oh, I'm sorry.
And freaking, there's so much pressure in my toes that it bursted my toenail off.
This is the first time I've ever done anything.
I'm supposed to drive. I hate driving. Oh man. Alright.
And it said, massive sign. Sorry.
Hold on, I just sneeze.
They have a skincare challenge. Excuse me.
Sorry. To do is go to Stickam and open an account. Excuse me. Sorry.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry. My allergies have been going crazy since this morning. Excuse me, yes, Evan. Thank you, honey.
Have you heard that drop? That was because I was holding a marker and I dropped. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Make sure there are no.
Yes, one. Convidadas muito queridinhas. E o tema de hoje é falsidade. Elas não.
Thank you guys. I feel very blessed.
Ale?
Che hanno ritirato le truppe. Basta? Tutto qui che fantasia zero?
Vuoi che mi
Oh, my sneeze is weird.
Not that. Something else.
Is it video or the Juicy Couture poster?